Okay. Ooh, that was frustrating. The video just kind of shut down. That was the third time it happened. So kind of a disjointed little video series you have. So we'll say part one covered setup of the problem, how to determine which ion was 0 molar, which locked in the precipitate, and then figure out the leftover ion. Okay, the one that was part locked in the precipitate, part left over. That leaves the spectators. So we're talking about the nitrate ion and the sodium ion. Basically, their moles stayed exactly the same through this process. So I'd say to myself, all right, well, where'd the nitrate come from? Came from the strontium nitrate original solution. The only catch, this was my original mole value, was that for every 1 mole strontium nitrate, there's 2 moles nitrate. So this was my moles of nitrate. And then to get the molarity, easy enough, just take that mole value and divide by the total volume. Now for this problem, different than some, we didn't really have additive volumes. We just had that 0.1750 liters, and we added the solid to it, so that total volume hasn't changed. So we divide that through, and that's how you get your 0.114 molar for the nitrate. Sodium, same thing. But be careful. Just ask yourself, well, where did the sodium come from? Well, it came from that original mole value of sodium sulfide. Now, some people get caught up in the limiting reactant, but remember, the spectators, they're not really part of the reactions. You got to go back to the original source of sodium ions. So that was what I calculated, 0.0446 moles of sodium sulfide from the original problem. Again, for every 1 mole of sodium sulfide, there are 2 moles of sodium ions. So we go ahead and double that guy. That comes out to 0.0893 moles sodium ions. So last but not least, icing on the cake, take your total moles, 893, divide by, again, that total volume of 0.1750 liters. Bing, bam, boom, done. So that's how you get your 0.510 molar sodium ion solution. Okay, so that's your spectators. Just go back to the original source of this spectator, the original source of this spectator. Make sure you take into account any ratios within the compound, and then divide by the total volume, which in this case was not additive because it was just that original solution and you added the solid. All right, that's it. I hope this helped you. Please go on and do the assigned questions, and just remember, think big picture. Make sure you understand each of the pieces, and you are golden. Thank you for listening. Bye.